The INFINITI Q50 key fob, used in models from 2014 to 2023, uses a CR2032 battery. Replacing it is a simple DIY task. First, ensure your vehicle is off. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver or pry tool. Flip the fob over and carefully insert the tool into the seam of the key fob. Gently pry to separate the two halves of the case. Be cautious to avoid damaging the plastic. Open it slowly to prevent any internal components from dislodging. Remember to ground yourself to avoid static discharge, which can harm the fob's electronics. With the case open, you'll see the CR2032 battery clearly visible inside the key fob. Note the battery's polarity. The positive side should be facing up. This is crucial for proper function. Use the screwdriver to gently pry and remove the old battery from its compartment. Insert the new CR2032 battery with the positive side facing up. Make sure it sits flush and secure in the compartment. Carefully snap the two halves of the key fob case back together until you hear it click shut. Test the fob by pressing the buttons. The light should illuminate or the car should respond, indicating successful replacement. If it doesn't work, double-check the battery's polarity and ensure the case is fully closed. Incorrect polarity can cause immediate failure. If issues persist after these steps, consult a professional.